Hello everyone, welcome to our awards banquet for basketball, the online version because we have no permission to get together, unfortunately, so we'll have to do that some other time. So I'm going to have to get this done quick because I only have 15 minutes to make this work, and please watch to the end because we have information about summer open gyms. Okay, thank you. First of all, I want to thank our coaches. I feel like I have two of the best coaches in the state. Jason Ward, his knowledge and the things that he does is amazing, and they are the backbone of the program, and just thank you for all that they've done. Joel Warren's been amazing for the last 3 years, and he's going to be moving on and not coaching this year, but is going to be sorely missed. I just can't thank them enough for all that they do in so many different ways. I feel really blessed and lucky to have them, but you guys were lucky to be coached by these men, and I'm lucky to work with them. Our managers, Cassie and Micah, did a great job with us on the road. We thank you for that. We can get Micah back next year would be great. And then Christian was our filmer. He learned a lot through the year, and I just hope he comes back next year to help us out. Our players, I believe our players give us great effort and great attitude all the time, no matter what the results were. And that's all I can ask of them. That's all I ever did ask of them. And they're just fantastic kids, and you parents have done an amazing job with these young men. Parents, I feel like we have the best parents in the state, not just the conference. You guys are amazing. The stories I hear from other places, I don't think I could handle or would want to, but you guys have been very respectful, and that's why your kids are so amazing. But just thank you for everything that you do. If you have any questions or you need to contact me, please do. Okay, let's start with our Froshmore team. Trevor, Brandon, Levi, Tyler, Aaron, Bryant, Bryce, Ross, Tuck, Leaf, and Lucas. They were coached by Coach Wirt. They were 11-5. Had some big wins against Polson, Hamilton, Frenchtown, Dillon. Just amazing. Mr. Wirt says this is one of the most enjoyable seasons I have ever had in my coaching career. These guys worked hard every day and were so coachable. It was a lot of fun. I was so impressed by this team, the way they could beat teams by scoring, defense, just whatever it took, they would work together. Different kids stepped up each night. It was impressive. And I think the key thing is how hard they worked, and they were coachable. Please be coachable. I don't care how good you are or what you think you know. You need to listen to your coaches. They will make you better, and your team will be better. So a fantastic job. Expect great things from these guys. But you'll need to work. You got to work, get in the gym, and get better. And some of you really have improved from your 8th grade to your freshman year. It was amazing, the improvement I saw. Okay, our JV team, Donovan, Drew, Jacob, Clay, David, Mace, Luke, Remington, Chase, Mitch, Landon, and Dustin. Coached by Coach Lauren. They had 11-5 record. Had some big wins, though. Dylan, Whitefish, Ronan. Coach Lawrence says these kids worked hard and gave 100%. Although they didn't win as many games as we would have liked, they were competitive, played hard and well together. They are a fantastic group who represent themselves in CHS well. If they continue to put in the work, they will experience more success in the future. I agree. And it's not just about wins. I mean, this team sometimes struggled to score. That seemed to be their big issue. So they got to put some work into that, but they're great kids with great attitude, and it was a lot of fun to watch them play and to have them in practice every day. I really enjoyed the work ethic and the way they improved throughout the year. All right, varsity team, J-Mark, Tanner, Luke, Caleb, Connor, Jacob, Bryce, Cole, Mitch, Landon, Donovan, and Clay. So all you guys will receive a varsity letter with your pins or whatever it may be. And then the other kids will get the participation form. We'll get that to you later. 9 and 10, coached by me. Big wins, Dillon, home and away. First time we had beaten Dillon since 2005. Unfortunately, they got us in the one that really mattered. But not disappointed in this group. I'd have to say we've really improved throughout the years. This is my 3rd year. I thought it was our best year. We only had a few bad games. Hamilton's, Polson, Frenchtown, and then maybe Whitefish. But all the rest of them, those 5 games, the other 14 games, I thought we played well. We had a chance to beat the co-state champs in Butte, had the lead going in the 4th quarter there, like with a couple minutes left. Down here, we came back and had a chance to beat them. Frenchtown, who was still alive, You know, it was a 2 or 3 point game in the fourth quarter. So we did a lot of great things this year. Amazing kids. So proud of them. And they're just a joy to coach. And I just believe we could have a really good year next year. For all conference, we had 2 all conference players, which is the first time in a long time. We had Caleb. He was first team all conference and all state. I can't remember the last time we had an all-state kid, and you can see some of the reasons when we keep going. Tanner was honorable mention all-conference. I believe we had one more kid that could have been all-conference, but with how many seniors were in this conference, he was kind of pushed out, unfortunately. I think if we could have beat a few more teams, he would have got it, and well-deserved. All right. Here's the stats for the year. You can go on MHSA stats and find these for all the kids. Okay, and I have some highlights here. Hopefully this works. And it is not loading. Did you see J mark on that? So those are some of the highlights. I just picked ones we have. I didn't go through every game. All right, varsity team. Top 10 in Southwest A. Those kids will get something like this. We had a few this year. Caleb has 1 in blocks, 2 in scoring, 2 in rebounding, 3 in steals, 6 in free throws, and 8 in 2-point percentage. You can see that 6 categories there. Tanner, 1st in free throws, 3rd in scoring, 10th in rebounding. Not bad. quite an athlete. Cole, 7th in 2-point percentage, and J Mark was 5th in assists. As you can see by those passes, he's quite a passer. You'll see more coming up. Team awards. Offensive MVP goes to Tanner. He's a great offensive player, as we all know. Quite gifted athlete. Defensive MVP Caleb with 2nd in rebound, 1st in blocks, and 3rd in steals. His length caused a lot of issues. Our most improved, Luke Wolski, he just became a very important part of our rotation. Hit some huge shots, diving on the floor. And Dylan, those are the little things that came out with Luke. All right, our players to watch, we have 2 of them. Our Blue Devil award is J Mark. J Mark was such a great leader for our team. He came so far this year. I'm so proud of you, J Mark. Amazing the things that you have done, and just what you did for our team was fantastic. Players to watch, like I said too, we have Jacob and Donovan. They're both highly skilled and have great work ethics. They just need to get bigger and stronger so they can compete at that level. But skill-wise, amazing. Dunk of the year, I've never done this, and I hope we can continue this, was Cole. We had like 4 dunks, I think, and that was just amazing, that dunk. Okay, what are our expectations? High expectations. We lose 3, but we return 26 players. But out of those 26, we're probably going to have 16 to 18 spots. So you're going to have to get to work to make this team. It's going to be important that you understand that. But everyone loses a lot of good players. I believe we're more talented or just as talented as everybody in the conference this year. This is why, because look at all the seniors that were all conference. There were 10 of the 16 kids were all conference were seniors. We return 1, so that leaves 5 all conference players with the other 5 teams. That's it. See what everybody loses? So everybody loses a bunch. Here's our second.